it's like ice. Smoke 'em up and leave 'em, changing with the seasons. But you know that shit ain't my style. I just want the OG, it's always been it for me. Yeah, you saw me when nobody would, and he loved me good, through the bad and the ugly. He never got a...
Hey guys, hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, you know the drill. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video and you want part of the family. My name is Marian Okonkwo-Abakporo. I am a Nigerian currently living in the US, and I make videos about productivity, lifestyle, building a life and building a career here in the US, and just about my side hustles. If those are videos that interest you some sort of way, then consider joining the family and subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a day in my life. It's basically a very busy day, and I'm going to be trying to be resetting because I don't know if you guys can see what is going on in the background, but it is such a huge mess. My table is a mess, there are clothes on the floor. I have just been so stressed out this week. I know I say this all the time, but low-key, this week is just like crazy. Anyways, I'm going to be trying to finish up some assignments. I know I can't finish everything up today, but I'm going to be prioritizing at least 2 today and then doing the other 2 tomorrow and reading for next week on Sunday. So that way I'm able to make some time today and tomorrow to do lots of house chores and meal prep for the week. Also today I had 2 meetings, one with my team and then one with a client, and both meetings went well. I have an office hour that I plan to attend later this afternoon at 2, and then I have an appointment at 12:10, just 16 minutes away from the house. So I'll basically be going into turning my IDs and identification stuff for my I-9 for my internship this summer. I am so excited about it. Meanwhile, I got some items in celebration of that. Well, not in celebration, I've always wanted a work tote bag, so I decided to go and spend some money getting that, and I was just very happy with what I bought. And guess what? I got the discount. So I went to the outlet store, which is already a discount, and then they gave me 15% off because I was a student and I had my student ID. So if you're a student and you want to get a Kate Spade bag or any item, you actually get 15% off because you're a student. So make sure you take your ID and you show it to them. I was just so happy I got that huge discount. If not, I'll be paying close to $500 for a bag and purse. So let me go grab it, so I'll show you guys. The bag is so fine. Oh, meanwhile, I got a purse too. I was like, Oh, and this purse is just the perfect purse. I'm going to be showing you guys everything like about it. Maybe I should do that later because I'm like crunch for time and I want to finish up this assignment. But the purse is literally so cute. Let me show you guys. So this is what the purse looks like. Pink. It matches my nails. I also have a bottle that is pink, but I don't know. I think I left it downstairs. But yeah, I went for pink because pink is that's my color. When you open it this way, okay, you can't really see anything. When you open it this way, it has like several card slots. Like, can you see all of these card slots? The thing I like about it is that it has like a portion for your ID. So literally when I'm somewhere and I need to pull my ID, because that's one thing that like even my former purse, I was specifically looking for that, but the former purse was just very small. So you just open it this way and then you scan what you want to scan, and that's it. So there's a space here, huge amounts of space here, and then also space here. The one that busted my head, you know how when you buy a wallet, this is typically how it would be. There's going to be a hole inside. I don't know what that hole is, but my hypothesis is that that's what will allow the purse to bend properly, like when you want to close it. But one thing they did, so you can tell that these people have sense, is so this one now, like where I actually put my money, there's no hole, like there's just the material in there, so it actually protects your money. And if you want to put in some coins, you can put it in there and then it won't even fall. But if you put it here, your coin is going to slip through. Can you see that hole? Yup. Really cute purse. And that's not even all. So clamp it like this to close it. So cute. And then you open this portion. When you open that, more space. Like what? Yeah, I'm really happy. Like I really like this purse. I already unboxed it yesterday. I moved on my my wallet. This is my water bottle. Tumbler matches my purse. So cute. Yeah, I wanted to show you that. So this was the other purse that I had. I liked it though because it was in a good quality and very strong and small. So you can hear and you can see the other one is definitely bigger. I like this one. I bought some socks because suddenly it started raining and snowing at the same time. So my legs were freezing and I wore an open toe shoe. So I had to very quickly get socks. I was so pissed because I have so many socks at home. I had to now go and pay, how much was this? $9.09 for socks that I already had at home. So I think what I need to do moving forward is always put a pair of socks in the car just in case it starts snowing and I'm out there vulnerable, you know, that kind of stuff. Please ignore my like what you guys are seeing in the background. So let me show you guys the shoes that I got. And it matches my nails. Oh, it's beautiful. And like the detailing in front, like by the side, like really, really nice. I started buying my shoes from Steve Madden's because, you know, the one I bought from them the other time, the nude one, if you guys, I can't remember the name, that one was really nice. So since then, I'm always like stopping by to see what they have on sale. I got a discount. That's the point, you know. It's so cute. I can't wait to wear it and show you guys what it looks like my feet and stuff. Yeah. Okay, I actually have the receipt here. Oh, I got 20% off, not 15%. The original price is $99.95. So I got 20% off, which is $19.99. And total I ended up paying for this was $79.96. I deserve it. So, okay, actually, let me show you this perfume. So I got this perfume. I sprayed it last night on my shirt. I don't know. I can't really say much, but when I went there, I honestly wanted to try something new. The perfume is like $250 online. Anyways, how much did I buy? God forbid, do I know I did not buy perfume $250? Am I mad? I don't think I bought it $250. I got a discount, so I think I bought it $125 excluding tax, and then they gave me a free hand gel. But this is what it looks like. If you guys have used this before, let me know, because I'm mad pissed that I spent that amount of money on a perfume. But again, I deserve it. So it smells like La Vie Belle but stronger, and I actually tested it. I sprayed it on like the paper piece they gave me at 11, and as at 3 I could still perceive it, but it wasn't that strong, but you know, it was there. So this will be my first Kate Spade bag. I'll be starting my internship. I know you guys are tired of me saying internship, but we're getting closer. It's in June, so you guys are gonna get used to me saying it like all the time. Currently, this is my tote bag for school, but I carry a lot of stuff, and as you can see, I know it looks very basic compared to, so it was either this one or the Coach Molly bag, but I ended up going with this one because I got like huge discounts. So, but there's also a spot here at the front where you can put like your wallet, and not your wallet, your phone, so which is great. Inside looks like this. There are 2 spots, so there's a spot here, there's also a spot here, and they're like, oh no, that's the purse. The purse is called Staffiano Leather Medium Compact BI, and then the bag is called Staffiano Leather Laptop Tote. This purse is $189, but it was on discount, I think 60% off, so I got it for $51.41. The bag is $449. I got 60% off plus 20% off, so that's 15% off for my student ID, so I got $305.32 off plus an additional $21.55 off because I showed my student ID. In total, I ended up paying $122.1 for the bag. Now for both items, I paid a total of $185.91 including tax. If you ask me, that's not bad. I feel like I cheated them from $400, and so in total I was supposed to have paid almost $600 for both bag and purse, but as you guys can see, I paid like $185. I'm just trying to rationalize why I spent, so just ignore me. Anyways, we're back to working. I don't know if I should leave the bag and use it when I start my internship, or I should actually like just get into it and carry it starting next week.
I'm gonna just speak. I just lost a lot of things, learned a lot of things, you know? It's a summary in my life, past 5 years. From my father's heart.
So it is 11:45. I have to start heading out for my I-9 verification. So I have my bag, I have my documents folder downstairs. I'm gonna wear a socks just because it's super cold and your baby girl is not about to freeze under the snow or under the chilly weather. So let's head out. I'm just sad though that I wasn't able to finish up I made rice yesterday, but I fucked up. The rice is so salty.
When I was 18, told him give me time, he just had to believe. Wasn't worth $1, but I had to chase a dream. Cut off everybody, me and wave.
Oh my goodness. So all the while it wasn't recording. Okay. No wonder the lighting was a little bit off. Yeah, I finally arrived at the spot where I'm going to verify my I-9 for my internship this summer. I saw a Walmart close by. I'm going to stop by and get some orange juice and some mangoes. I've been craving for both of them for a long time. And then also, I don't know, for some weird reason, right? All the oranges that I've tasted so far, they always like have this like artificial taste afterwards, but Trader Joe's sells, I don't know, to me, in my own opinion, they sell the best orange juice, and I don't want to travel 16 minutes just because of orange juice. So I'll do that in the next round of trip when I want to get like some new eucalyptus and flowers. But in the meantime, I'm going to stop by Walmart or Cobb's and get some juice. I need something in my system. I'm not sure I'm allowed to take the personal information that I don't want to share with you guys, so I am just going to let you guys know once I'm back. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Make sure you subscribe if you're not not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys very shortly. Bye. I guess what I got, Chick-fil-A. So I had the fries while I was driving, which is not supposed to be. That's wrong. But I was super hungry.
Yeah, Marianne's on my team. Yeah. Oh, great. Oh my goodness. So you have very motivated students in your team. That's wonderful.
Yeah, we do.
Hi.
I'll go to that part of the syllabus.
Work experience as a manager or your personal experience as a consumer, how you can link your life experiences to the theories in the book.
Marianne, if you guys want to talk about from our team or is it on the personal note?
Yeah, so yes, one is on regarding our group project, and then the other one is on a personal paper one. So I can start with the group one since you're here.
Yep. Okay.
So far we kind of like have an introduction of the overall fitness journey from our secondary readings and articles online on what people have to say about how COVID impacted so my question, I guess the follow-up question I have with this is, so if this goes after the research.
Yeah, wonderful progress.
Thank
Congratulations. You've done very well.
Oh, thank you.
I'm very impressed that you're so motivated.
So I think what's just left, I'm just the one who's holding up, and it's just I'll try on my own end and see how much I can cut as well. But it's like I'm trying also not to. I'm like OCD about this. I just want
No,
to
it's
make
fine,
sure.
but I just don't think he's gonna, like, the fonts these guys use also probably looks like 11, and like that's usually my last result, because if we make it 12, that's almost double the page. Would need to cut out like 3 pages, which.
You too, guys. Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
Thanks. I just finished my last meeting for the day. I'm so tired. Okay, so yeah, I just finished my meeting. I'm trying to knock out at least one assignment so I can feel fulfilled somehow. Good morning. So today is the next day. Today is actually Saturday, and I'm going through my lists. I know, like, I just literally woke up and the first thing I did was to go through my list. So far, I've gotten 2 assignments done out of the 3 that were due Sunday and Monday. So I have 1 more, which is the reflection paper. So I'm going to start working on that today.
We was the team to give us 2 years and everybody gon' eat. But first we had to give up everybody for some beats. After 5,000 emails and a song a week.
So it's currently 10:30 and I managed to knock out all the little assignments, basically sending out emails, creating some decks, drafting the welcome email. So I've done all of that. Now I have 2 assignments that I actually need to finish up. So one I already did, like I did the outline, so I'm just going in and building it out. And then the other one that I haven't done yet is to read, so it's for my online class. So basically I think a faster way to do that would be for me to just pick like 3 videos and watch them and make my reflection notes based on that, instead of watching the whole thing, because at the end of the day you're only supposed to pick 2 to 3 or 1 to 2 topics to talk about and tie it to your personal experience. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to also go through the deck and see our enterprise project. So I feel like there should be an easier way to present the data, so I'm going to go in and look at it maybe later in the evening. But I'm just trying to knock out the priority assignment so I can just relax a little bit. I might even drive down to Trader Joe's because I'm been craving their orange and maybe mangoes. The stuff in my old bag into my new bag. I'm so happy, baby. Oh, that bag is, anytime I remember it, it just makes me so happy. Anyways, that's what I'm gonna be doing. My husband was asking me if I had buyer's remorse after I bought the bag. I'm like, buyer's remorse where? Buyer's remorse where, baby? Where is the buyer's remorse? Not here, Sha. It's not anywhere.
Me and Wavy turned into the same human being. Fast forward 5 years and now we 23. My father's still praying that my music don't succeed. And my brother leaving me to go and chase his dream. It's the last time that me and Wavy be a team. But would you have left if it didn't go right? Would you stay with me through the cold nights? Would you give me ever or give me advice? Would you pay attention or tell me the price? Cause if you left then it wouldn't feel right.
On my hair, but and ignore the sound coming up there. But we're on our way to go grab lunch at an African restaurant. So once we do that, we'll get some food items because we're already running low on excuse me. Once we do that, then we go get flowers and fresh juice from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna try to get more this time so I don't have to be driving 20 minutes every 2 weeks. I'm gonna be doing that today and I'll be taking you guys along. My husband is going to be helping me film the rest of the video. This my hair that I cut is just looking jagged, but yeah, I'm really excited excited. I'm so hungry, so I can't wait to go eat. How are you guys doing? How's your week going? Like, I'm curious. Let me know in the comment section. Is it going really well?
I just don't like people triangulating where I am.
If you're paranoid like this, when you now become a celebrity,
I'm paranoid though.
Can you stay with me through the cold nights? Don't need ever think I'm needing some advice. Can you pay attention cause I can't pay the price? Felt my heart break too many fucking times.
anyways, our food just arrived. See, baby, this is why we need big windows in our next house. Can you see how like bright? Yeah, we're back to the regular thing. Regular tasting rice. And this is my bougie husband.
So I promised that I never get a fucking wife. I was 21 and fucking bitches in the night. Looking back, I know that I ain't treat my women right. Fast forward now, I got a girl in my life. To think back then, I would've rather fucking died. Now all these hoes feel like a waste of time. I guess sometimes you change your mind, and the money finally coming my way. But last year I lost like 100 fucking K. Well, money doesn't matter as long as I still got my gang. I just pray I never have to.
So we just got back, and first I'm gonna unpack all of the things that we had, and I'm going to be cooking later in the afternoon actually. We plan on going to Bolero to go hang out and have some fun, but in the meantime, let me show you guys all the stuff we got. Starting off, I got new flowers, so I'm going to be replacing this one, pretty much dead, but I'm going to be picking out the white ones that are not dead, so some of them.
Girl, I take the hate and eat that shit for breakfast. And yeah, I like my